wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against my thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy John Biscuit. I'm back on a hit and smashing up. Bang! I know what time it is. And people, friends, from the title, see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, people. We're there with an artist that's should be any stranger to the channel. This is an up and coming dancehall artist that's really dope. And we have really mad style and a mad flow, and he's just a dope artist that's coming along really well. You know what I'm saying? I really want to check him out today and see what I want. But before we do, I want to ask that you please hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so I get my videos as soon as I upload them. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, the likes really help with the YouTube algorithm. Helps push my videos out there and help my channel grow. So I really appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe button, people. Yeah, man, people. Today I'm with an artist known as Sinna Meech, featuring Bobby 6, and this song is entitled Mansa Musa. And hey, believe it or not, that's one of my favorite person in history. Mansa Musa is one of my favorite person in history. He's the richest man to ever live. This man had so much wealth in gold that it threw off the world's economy, just to the point that he had to give it away. So that's crazy wealth right there. So yeah, man, so I know they're gonna be talking about riches in this one for sure. I haven't checked it out as yet, but I just know about Mansa Musa from history. So yeah, man, I know this one's gonna be really dope track. So yeah, man, we're gonna check it out. This is Sinna Meech, Bobby 6, Mansa Musa. Let's get it.
Shade music.
Yeah, GMC.
Go on. Oh, then the punch. You two up there. Come in.
Shade music.
Yeah, GMC. 6LX red. Fully. You know the badness come down and read, you know, man.
Yo, I'm like the vibe.
6.
Yo, already I like the vibe off of this already. Yo, believe it or not, I get the vibe. Yo, Sinna Meech, she have a different style. If I'm hear the way you're going, yeah, the little reverb there. Let's get it started.
Rich badness.
Young lamb shit. Some chop tree, chop of them not top doing. Chop the crown the athlete. Me man with the black seat. Side back I'm lucky. Big money popping. Gyal a suck me cocky.
Easy no man, easy no man, easy no man. Your man said dog cyber crime, me lock it. Me not tell you the one I got shot from a year dog come in, man. Me know say yo, come in, let me see what I go on. Yeah, man, let's jump back in that vibe. Yeah, man, shot the one, man. That's one chopper song, man. Mad thing.
Can't tell me about choppings, pussy watching. Trees gone hatching, laptop tracking, jet blown traffic. Young pop Molly, Sinna life savage. Bad bitch dolly.
Bad bitch dolly. Ooh, yeah, the man style, but come in.
Big chop, yeah, one client just get kidnapped. So we chop food, yeah, we chop. Just usually big client get his scheme well at.
One thing with the 6 artists, them, you know, you can't play with the man, them, you know. The man, them full of style, bro. Yeah, man, from squash go straight down. Yeah, man, squash, Cranny Club, Blow, Bobby 6, Daddy 1, Sinna Meech, Mali, Dan. The whole of them, I not lie, man. Yo, they're mad, man. Keep going.
On my brain, man, I talk. Money perfume when I walk. Look all the client making ball. Give me everything when I want. Stocks and bonds, and rip it off. Hello?
I flip money, bank cash.
Stocks and bonds, me rip it off. You get it? Play on word stocks and bonds, me easy.
Spend on kind of cup, money hot spot. Brand new iPhone, top it on that. What you say? Top it on that. Man, I flip money, bank cash. Spend on kind of cup, money hot spot.
Yo, Sinna Meech, if you watch this, your style bad, you know, youth. Yo, your style sick, you know, me, G, no joke, dog. Yo, keep up your work, me, G, no. Yo, man, no, sir.
Brand new iPhone, top it on that. Designer clones, NEC and a wine up or yard ring full of powers and a island alone giant and a dinosaur bleaching skin idle tone. Press the Benz man fly pan tall dog and never lie at all.
Easy. Yeah, man, style that. Man, I dinosaur. Man, up phone. The man just a flow up on the blow beat, man. Come in, we're gonna pull out the party, dog. Come here. Come in. Easy, me, Jenna.
Bank cash, spend on kind of cup, money hot spot. Brand new iPhone, top it on that. Designer clothes, NEC and a wine up or gathering full of powers.
Designer clothes, NSC and a wine up pour gathering full of power. Easy now, man.
No island alone giant and a
I know Isle alone, giant, no, no.
dinosaur bleach with skin idle tone. Press the Benz man fly pan tool dog and never lie at all. Rolex and on the diamond gold fuck gal pan island tour at the place with these. You know you're
Sinna Meech. Sinna Meech. Youth, you're dangerous, you know? You flow them. Sinna Meech. You flow them dangerous, you know, brother? Yo, my youth. Me see a big star in you, you know, dog. Like, no joke. No joke. Me see a big star in you, dog. Yo. You're different, me Jenna. Keep it up, me Jenna.
up to the blind man, no. My stick in a traffic in a car when me a drive far road. Yeah, man, I say, man, yo, I'm shit. So me chop tree, chop of them not top doing. Drop the crown, the athlete. Be man with the black seats. Cyber crime, me lock it. Big money popping. Girl, I suck me cocky.
Up to them. Up to them. That's a new talk. That's a listen. Up to them.
Can't tell me about choppings, pussy watching. Trees gone hatching. Laptop tracking. Jet blown traffic. Young pop Molly. Sinna life savage. Bad bitch darling. Mansa Musa. Richer than Toba. Gold chain Buddha.
Mansa Musa. Wish I that. Hey.
Bigger what you say, new Benz, soldier, custom, jewelers, chain them too hot. Panning line, man sharp line, tooler, skull from Tennessee, upstate.
How much time I switch your flow a while ago? Sinna Meech? How much time I switch your, about 3 times that? Or 4 times? You switch your easier, sir, brother.
Junta, fat jail lip, this a no junta, chop skull, make them want be a foot motor. I flip money, bank cash, spend on, connect up, panning hot spot. Brand new iPhone, top it, pan that. What you say? Man, I flip money.
What you say? What you say?
Come on, hot spot.
Sinna Meech, me Jenna.
Niggerette knows quitting smoking is free.
Yeah, man. Me rate the one, them G. Yeah, man, the one the bad. No jokes. No jokes. No jokes, people. Me know one thing about the one day. You see me? If you, like, you see me? Let me see the comments in the comment section. Let me see the fire emoji, Gabby can emoji. You see me? Let me see what country you now watch from. Dropping the flags. You see me? Let me know one of our favorite part. Whether it was the lyrics, the melody, the beat, the flow. You know what I'm saying? The visuals, cause all the visuals mad, you know what I'm saying? The song I'm mad, you know what I'm saying? What was your favorite part? Was it Sinna Meech or was it Bobby Six? You know what I'm saying? Cause both of them are that chop. You know, and the whole song overall mad. You see me? It's a whole vibe. You see me, people? So definitely drop emojis. You know you're watching from. What's the favorite part? You see me? You know what country you're watching from? What city? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want. I'll definitely go show the artist some love and support. You know it's a jam biscuit, you know. You don't know how we show love over here, you know. You see me? And definitely let me know what you want me to react to next. And I'll get it done for y'all guys, you know what I'm saying? I really enjoy making these videos for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's really fun, entertaining, you know what I'm saying? I get to have fun, love listening to music, enjoy myself. I get to share it with you guys. It's amazing. So I really appreciate the love and support. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. You already know what time it is. The boy John Biscoe is here, and I hit and I smash and I banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.